Hello everyone, I hope you're having fun making this beautiful album. Now we are just finishing the album and doing the last touches. I'm making an inside pocket for the inside front cover. For the pocket, I'm taking a piece of cardstock and making a design using a punch on one edge and tapering the three sides coding and finally putting it together. Now for the cover page, I'm using this cupcake printable image. I selected a picture from Google and then I just printed out on my printer. And what I have done is taken one image and cut it out into two parts so that we can layer it up to get that extra 3D effect. And then I'm putting glossy accents on the icing and covering it up with the frosting powder. Now for the base of the cake, here I'm using a vibrant fuchsia archival ink. I'm also applying some glossy accent for the detailing of the cupcake. Don't forget to use a golden matting for the front cover. It gives a beautiful look to it. Finally, when your frosting powder is dried up, you can color in your jellies and small sprinkles. Then you can also put glossy accents on top and stick it up with the help of your foam tape to give that 3D effect. After you are done, just add a small bow to give a beautiful effect. And I've also done a sentiment with glitter that says celebrate. And here we are ready with our beautiful top cover of our album. To finish it off, I've put a beautiful charm on the spine of the album and it's ready.